All right, now let's look at formatting our document. So when I say formatting our document, what I mean is we can add certain styles to the text, the images, the tables, and everything we have on this document. So let us just look at the different things we can style in this place. So all right, so let's add a piece of text here. All right, so we want to format this piece of text. Let take for instance, we want this to be bold since this is a heading. So we can mark it. So I did this by putting my cursor here, double click, and then drag it to the end. So this is it. And then you can come to format, and then you can see bold to make it bold. So this is to format text. So you want it to be bold, and then let's see, it's bold. So we need it to be bigger. So you come here, text, and then you see size. So you can increase the font size, that's Ctrl Shift plus, or you can find it here also. So this is the long way, but this is the shortcut. So we'll just use the shortcut, would make it bold, would mark it rather, and then we'll increase the size, and then we need it to be at the center, so we'll centralize it here. So we'll centralize, and then it's okay. And then let's change the font. I don't like this font. We'll come here, so it shows font. You click on it, and then you can choose any of these fonts. Let's see how Georgia looks. Okay, this looks pretty cool. Now, hello, my name is Honest Omonfuegbe. I'm a digital literacy teacher and advocate. Now, I want to make my name bold, so I can hit this. All right, yes. Now you see the name is bold, while the other text are just like that. So you can italicize anything that you want to italicize by using this. Now I would make a video to explain all the shortcuts. So if you want to make this bold, for example, digital literacy, you can make it bold by clicking here, or you can press Ctrl B. Now press Ctrl B back. It unboldens it. So this is normal text. There are templates for the sizes and the font sizes basically, and the boldness, so that are already there for you to use. For example, we made this 18 and we made it bold, but then you can change the normal text here. You can come here, click on normal text, and make it a title. So when you click on it, it becomes a title by default. When you come back here, click on it and use heading 2, or you just use normal text, it becomes normal text. So they are like these ones are like templated. These ones, they're like templates, you understand, that you can just quickly use to apply a format to a particular piece of text. All right, now I still want this to be bold. All right, exactly, I want it to be bold. Now this first paragraph, I want some space. I want a little more space in between. The lines. So how you do that is to come here. You will see line and paragraph spacing. When you click on it, you can choose the space in between. This is 1.15, which is smaller than this, and this is smaller than double. This is more than this, and this is more than this. This is more than this also. So if we need more space, you can choose this, and then you see it expands. When we use this, it expands even more, but I don't like this. This is not what I want, so this is what I want. I like it this way. Also, you see our text, when writing, it moves in the right it moves to the right, to the right, to the right, and all of that. So if we want to centralize this, we want it to be at the center, you can come here and do this. So currently it's left aligned, it's aligned to the left, so add it right to the right. So we can come here and centralize it, click this, and then you can see it's all centered. You can also justify it if you're writing. Using justification usually works. It's helpful when you are writing a very long um, piece of text, for example, and then you need everything to be really orderly, especially if you're using columns. So you would justify it this way, but we need it to be centralized, and it's okay like that. All right, have we dealt with colors? Now let's go deal with colors. This digital literacy, I want to change the color. First of all, I want to make it bold, and then I want to change the color. So you come here, you can see text color, this text underline, and then this is the highlight color. So I want the text color to be this color, and I want the highlight color to be something like yellow. So you see, it's the text color on the highlight color. The highlight color is like the background color of that particular text, or that of that particular area, whatever area you marked. All right, so that is how to format your text and your documents with Google Docs. If there is any more thing that you need to format, everything that has to do with formatting is under this tab here. When you come to format, you can deal with numbers. Okay, let's touch a bit on numbers. Numbering and bullets. So we can have a list. Take for instance list of things. Let's say list of random things. First of all, let's make this bold, or let's come here, change it from normal text to a subheading 2, and then we'll make it bold. So list of random things. Before you start, come here, you'll find numbered lists 1, 2, 3. You see it. If you want to use numbers, if you want to use just bullets like certain icons, you can use these bullets. They are called bullets. But if they are in figures, they are called numbers. So we'll use bullets. You can change the type of, this is a small circle, you can change the type of bullet by coming here, and then you can choose which you want to use. So take for instance, I want to use star, I can use this, and then you see it's in stars. So I'll say shoe, bucket, house, hash, page, sites, just random things. All right, so this is how to add a list. I should, or perhaps I'll make a separate video for lists. If you want to change it to numbers, you can come here and click on this, and then it automatically changes to numbers. If you want it to be bullets, you can click on this and it becomes bullets. So you can also customize. You want this to be whatever color, you can choose whatever color you want it to be. You can change it to whatever, exactly whatever you want it to be. You can always do that here. All right, so that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.